Good morning. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, babe. Morning, babe. Morning. Ang ganda ng sikat ng... Oh, ayan yung view natin. Dito sa left. Oops. And dito naman sa right. Ayan. Tulog pa yung mga bata. Anong oras na ba? Ako kagigising ko lang din. Kasi eto, pumasok. Anong oras na? Eksaktong 8. Alis tayo. May pupuntahan tayo, guys. Oh. What's that? And, di ba naglagay tayo kagabi? Ay, yeah, kahapon. And sila, kinuha nila yung mga sinampay. Is it cold outside, huh?
Oh,
it's alright. Oh, pinatay niya na yung heater. Dito pa, ang dami kong tutupiin. What? Yeah, just put it there for now. I'm just gonna get more. Anong oras na ba? What time is it? 9:02. Ready na ang lahat. Okay. Drink your beetroot, babe.
I'll share it to you.
I'll share it to you. I've been drinking it. Okay. Palabas pa lang tayo ng Caravan Park. We are going to Kapsarva, guys. Oh. Ingay na naman ang radyo. So, 1 hour and 20 minutes yun. Kasi, yung boys, maglalaro ng footy dito. Dayo sila. But, before nila nagawa to, meron pinagdaanan. Kung maalala nung Thursday, gabing-gabi na si Jan bumalik sa Caravan kasi meron silang ginawa ni Willow. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng maglaro dito kung hindi ka clear doon sa home base mo kung saan ka talaga naglalaro. So, email sila na kailangan ma-clear yung 3 boys na pwede sila maglaro dito. So, from the bay, kung sino man yung head doon para i-clear sila, kailangan i-email yung dito naman dito sa Yamba, yung ahead naman na i-approve sila na pwede silang maglaro dito. So pag ganun, buti na lang ngayon lahat ay email, dahil kung telegram to, wala, hindi sila ma-approve. So na-approve naman sila, but kailangan i-transfer yung name nila before June 22 doon ulit sa Bay. Kasi dito na-approve silang 2 games. So 2 Sundays sila dito maglalaro. Then after that one, dapat ma-transfer ulit yung pangalan nila, dahil kung hindi, the whole year ng footy, hindi sila makakapaglaro doon sa Bay. Kasi nandito, na-transfer sila dito for now. So dito sila naka-register maglaro sa New South Wales sa Yamba. And yung ka-team nila, kung maalala nyo, nung Wednesday nag-training sila. Yung ladder nila is second to the last, kuya? Ha? Yeah, second to the last. So etong 3, eager na gusto nilang maglaro dito para daw at least hindi kasi nanalo sila ngayong game, pwede silang tumaas. So hindi na sila magiging second to the last sa ladder. Pero in fairness sa 3, kahit itong 2, sabi, ang galing ng 3. Kahit yung mga coach doon sa sa kabilang team, yung original dito sa Yamba, sabi, they know how to play. They think where's the ball's going. Kasi yung Kung makikita nyo yung laro or yung training nila nung Wednesday, wala. As in, yung dalawa nagtitinginan na lang. Kasi nagkikik sila, hindi sila tumitingin. Tapos pag kinik nila, nandito yung magsasalo, doon nakikik. Alam mo yun? Tapos hindi sila nakikinig. Sigaw ng sigaw yung coach na makinig kayo, hurry up, ganun. Parang hindi sila parang mga bata, ganun. Sa age nila, para sila mga bata na lower sa edad nila. So yan, excited ang tatlo. So 2 nights sila, 2 days sila naghihintay. Ano ba, na-approve ba tayo? Na-approve ba tayo? Tapos sabi, hindi pa. So nalaman lang kahapon ba? Or Friday night naka-receive silang email na okay, clear na yung tatlo, maglalaro, but make it sure sa June 23 they have to transfer their name back to the Bay, right, Han? June 23. So kailangan ko, tapos sabi ni Kuya, ma'am, put that on your notes para daw mag-alarm. Sabi ko, alam ko na yan, sabi ko. So yun, ipapaalala ko kay Willow na kailangan i-transfer yung names ng tatlo, dahil kung hindi sila makakapaglaro na doon sa Bay for the whole year this year. Kasi dito sila ngayon naka-register. Itong tatlo kasi hindi mapakali, gusto talaga nila maglaro. Dito. So 1 hour and 20 minutes ang kanilang travel. Malayo raw yung mga yung pinaglalaruan ng mga taga dito sa Yamba. Minsan 2 hours. Malalayo. At least sa amin, the longest drive for us is 1 hour, right, Han? Or 40 minutes. So 40 minutes lang, or mahaba na yung 1 hour. Dito nagto 2 hours. Minsan pa nga, kasi tiningnan nila Willow kung saan sila naglalaro. Sabi nyo, oh my God, they travel a lot. So as in, so tayo naman magta-travel. Uy, ang ganda. Pareho river. And sila ang magsusupply ng jersey. They gonna supply jersey and socks, Han? Sila magsusupply yung dito. Kasi iba naman yung jersey na dala nila. At saka si Sak lang yata may dala ng jersey. But of course, dapat pareho ng jersey ng ka-team nila ngayon dito sa Yamba. So sila daw magsusupply nun. How about the mouth guard, Han? You're alright? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Kasi dito sa kanila, yung team nila lahat naka-mouth guard. Kaya nga nung Wednesday hindi pwedeng mag-tackle dahil hindi sila naka mouth guard. But it depends to the parents, right, Han? Here for us, but for them it's mandatory to wear mouth guard. Sila ayaw nila kasi hindi raw sila makapagsalita.
A mouth guard instead.
Yes, so we have to buy.
I'm not wearing one.
You have to, Sa.
I haven't got caught.
Yeah, but what do you don't care? You have to, Sa, because that's the rules.
Yeah, I can't talk.
Yun nga lang, kasi ang laki ng mouth guard, so hindi siya makapagsalita. Kaya sila ayaw nila mag mouth guard. Mayroon sila, yung iba nilang kalaro sa Bay nagsusuot, pero sila halos wala, bilang lang siguro 3 lang. Who else is wearing mouth guard in the Bay, Sa? Oli, I saw Oli. Who else? That's it? Yeah, parang si Oli lang yata nag-wear kasi halos wala. Kasi hindi sila makapagsigaw ng pangalan. Wow, you have your books, Baba? Dala siyang books. What books are you reading this time? You haven't finished that one.
School zone.
Is this sugar cane, huh? Huh? Sugar cane, guys.
How would I eat them?
See? Ayan. Sugar cane. Where? No, that's not lavender. It's just weed.
The purple stuff.
Yeah. It's just a flower. Lavender is different. It's a bit longer and narrow. Yung flower talaga yung sa. Okay, mag-drive muna tayo ng 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Walk into the car and you take my hand. Your hand is shaking now, but you ask me for a dance. Can I have a chance? Music's playing loud from the party. sad, yeah, left your friend alone, nervous about my plans. Yet here we stand. Oh, how I love the smell of your sweet perfume, your textured hair, leather coat, dimples too. How I like to say yes, I'll dance with you, but I say I love you. 'Cause the time is stands still when I'm with you. Everything inside feels real and new. Try to slow.
Nakapasok na tayo sa Coffsarba. And feeling ko, madadaanan natin yung Big Banana. Ang dami nila ditong bananas. This is land of bananas ba? Marami kaming nakikita mga farms na nakatakip. Yung may net, yung ano nila puno. Dahil yung mga bananas daw yun, sabi ni Johnny Boy. Roadwork nga lang yung ating nakikita sa ngayon. Ayan. Andito na yung ating banana. Ayan yung big banana. 3 years ago nag-stay tayo dito sa Coffsarba. And naalala ko yung shopping center nila dito. Doon, nadaanan natin. Gusto niya raw magpa-car wash. Ano pa lang? 10? Why it's 1:39 in the...
It's 10:28.
10:28. Yung game will start 12:10. So, ang aga namin, di ba? Lagi naman talaga kami maaga sa mga ganito. Especially sa games. We always early. Why it's 1:39, hon?
Because I'll turn the power and everything off, remember?
Ah, okay. Hinahanap lang natin kung saan tayo maglalaro ay yung mga bata. Traffic dito. Ay! May nakita ko nag-walking. Hindi tayo nakapag-walking today.
Was that big?
Ha?
Didn't the Coffsarba was that big?
Big? Oh. Pag maaga kami makauwi mamaya, baka mag-walking pa din ako.
Oh no, that's a swimming
No, swimming pool, kuya.
It's near the swimming pool.
Coughs Med Chemist. Yan na.
There it is.
Punta na tayo.
Over there, Zach.
Huh?
Over there, mate.
Right.
In the left side.
Now just calm the farm.
They're
Relax.
playing.
Relax. So,
Your oval.
They're playing,
dito na
Dad.
tayo.
The under 10s are playing right now. And then the 12s, and then us.
Here, Hano. Park there.
No, I'm just going to keep going. Look at Betty's trying to squeeze in there.
Mac's gonna get out.
We'll just go over here. There's plenty over there.
Here, this one, Han.
Oh,
So, this one na lang, Han, so I can watch here.
you're not watching here, you're getting out.
Here. That one, ano. So, at least facing there. But, tanong ng mga bata kung maglalaro sila ng
No,
full
they're just here for
oval.
fun, so just take it easy. Don't go killing anyone that tackles.
No, we want to get a win.
Gusto nilang ipanalo yung game.
Bring in the footy.
Yeah, but just
Yeah,
calm
you
the
can.
farm.
Yeah. Have fun now, kids. Have
No
fun.
way that bloke's an under.
Buti na maganda yung parking natin. Magme-medyas na ako. Hindi pa ako nakapag-medyas pag alis natin. Gusto ko saan magdala ng chia pudding with avocado. Wala nang time. Kasi si Sir, nagmamadali na naman. Inayos ko pa yung bed. Si Sakit tinatanong si Will ko. Maglalaro sila ng full oval. Sana may toilet? Ay, ayan, may toilet. Malapit lang. Nag-crack yung aking nail. Hindi na ako nakakapag SNM. Plano ko sana nung bago kami umalis kaso wala talagang time. May toilet sila, mag-toilet tayo. And may dala akong baon. Nagdala tayong crackers. Then, kumuha akong konting cream cheese na yung sweet chili and yung apricot. Ano ba bang kinuha ko? Ano pa ba? Yun lang ata. Yeah, yun lang. Ah, may dip. yung French onion tsaka yung Mexican spicy kasi may tira pa. Wala pa yung mga magiging katim nila kuya dito kasi ang aga pa nga. Pero may mga yung mga bata yung maliliit naglalaro. Tapos na ata, nagsisialisan na. They're done, babe. They're finished. So the boys can just kick. May Caravan Expo kami nadaanan. Malapit lang. Ayan. Andyan lang pala o sa likod. Yung Caravan Expo, doon lang sa likod ng mga punong yan. Ayan, nagsisialisa na yung parents. Tapos na yung game ng kanilang mga junakis. Tingin daw ng pagkain. Dito. Ayan lang naman pala yung canteen. Boys, good luck. Ayan, bubili ng tubig si John tsaka fruit box. And yung boys nandoon, nagkikik sila doon. Dito na ako sa kaan. Siya. Kumain siya ng pera sa daddy. Kasi bili rin daw siya ng food. Nandun sila, oh. Mainit. In fairness, ang init ng sikat ng araw na yan. Pag nasa labas ka at nataon sa mukha mo, may heat talaga siya, as in stingy siya. Ayun yung dalawa, may upuan dun. And ito yung another game after kanina. And wini-wish ng boys na sana full oval yung lalaro nila, hindi half. Naiwan ko yung watch. 10:57 pa lang. Gusto ko sana mag-cheese platter. May paano sila dito, may pa siren sila ng AFL. Papogi naman tong asawa. Kinikindatan niya ako dito, parang ewan. Ang gagawin ko ay mag-edit ako kasi gusto ko na sanang kumain, kaso nga hintayin ko siguro mga 12. Kita ko naman yung kung maglalaro yung mga bata, kitang-kita ko dito. Ewan ko na lang sa inyo kung kita nyo. Malay, ayan. Gusto niya raw ng hot food. Ayan, kumuha siya ng noodles. I know, I can see. And then prime?
No.
No, I thought prime.
Why would there be prime?
No, I don't know. You pick your ano?
You want?
No, I'm good now. Thank you. Pumunta lang siya dito para alukin ang mami. See ya. Hot? Hinubad niya na. Nainita na siya. And ako, nagta-transfer ako ng aking mga clips dito sa phone. 1 terabyte to, punong-puno na siya. Punong-puno na siya. Ilang beses na ako nagta-transfer. Kasi nga, lagi tayong nagbi-video din dito sa phone na yan. So, ayan. Transfer lang ako kasi wala na siyang space. Naka-change na pala sila, oh. Ayan yung uniform. Come in! Yan! They supply you the socks as well? Yeah. The red one? Where's Saki? I'll take your photo. Han, take your photo, Han.
I already have.
No, Daddy did? Okay. Hi, Nak. Ayan na rin si Sak. Let me see you. What number? 69. Can I take a photo of you, please? Mag-start na. 11:58. 12:10 yung start ng laro. Katapos lang ng isang game. So, punta na tayo doon. Tingnan natin tong shades natin. Wala akong dalang hat today. Okay. Ito yung pinaka-zoom dito sa ating DJI. Ayun, nag-warm up na sila. So, number 20 yata si Kuya. Number 20 si Kuya. And then si Sak 69. Nakakatuwa naman kasi yung tatlo, kahit nasa holiday, makakapaglaro pa rin sila ng footy. Si Saka yun, si Kuya. Sobrang happy nilang tatlo, as in. Yung ngiti nila, ganun. Si Sak, pag ganun si Sak. Wala kasi makita. Ayan na yung zoom. Oh, yan na. Wala na. Ayun yung dalawa. Ay, yung tatlo. 20 si Kuya, 69 si Sak, 22 si Max. Napaka-zoom in naman natin dito. Umalis ako dito sa aking upuan kasi yung init, grabe. As in, yung sa Bicol, malanit ang init sa pandok. Stingy ba sa face? Mahapdi siya. Sana umupo na dito si Jam para meron tayong lilim dito. Makapagtago tayo sa kanyang body, likod. Mag-start na. And ngayon lang nabasa ni Willow yung message sa kanya na kailangan talaga mag-mouth guard. Kaso andun na, wala silang mouth guard. Chine-check ng team manager. Meron silang team manager dito na tatakbo ng takbo.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
I met you
Thank
years
you.
ago.
That's right.
Hi.
Hi, how are you, Rainy? Nice to meet you.
When you first moved up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Back again, eh?
Yeah.
Siya yung team manager.
Coming every year.
Mag-start na.
Go John Football. Thanks, tropical punch.
That's it. Good work.
Oh! Go. Sak! Kuya.
Drop it.
Drop. What was that,
TJ,
Zach?
TJ,
that's
TJ,
cool,
that
yeah.
long.
That's Sak.
Yeah, that is.
Come on, come on. Come on, Sak. Good job. Ang ganda ng pagkamark ni Sak. Who was that? TJ cake the goal. Yeah, first goal nila. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, first goal nila si Kuya na cake. Go, Tyron. Go, 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 go. Go, Max. Go, Max.
Kick it, Max.
Kick it, kick it, kick.
Well done.
Go, Kuya. Look.
Get your breath back. Get your breath back.
Go, Sak. Go, kick it. Tapos na yung first quarter. Leading tayo. 25 ang score natin sa COF, 13. Start na yung second quarter. Dito na yung goal natin.
Yeah.
Good. Get in front.
Go, go, go.
Got time, Kai. Got time. Right, you're hot now. Good work.
Go, Sak.
Get there, Oscar.
Oh, come on, come on.
Good tackle. Good. Go back, Zach. Back.
Go, yeah. Go, yeah. Oh!
Yeah, good tackle.
Run, Lee.
Go, Kuya. Oh, is that Sak? Oh.
Mossy doesn't need to do the ruck in there.
Oh,
Oscar.
good. Yes. Yes. Go, Sak. Pick it up, pick it up.
Forward, that's it.
Go. Go, Sak.
Get over there.
What again? What again?
Go back, TJ, back. Push back off the mark. Come on. Push.
On top.
Pop it up.
Oh, shit. Come on.
Yes.
Yes. Good goal.
Talk to him, Zach. Talk to him. Kid, watch the hits.
Go, Max. Oops. Good job, Max. Good job. Oops. Come on. Oops. Come on. Good job.
Switch it.
Number 16. Oh. Come on, come on.
Good Jack.
Go, Zach. Go, Zach. Oops, go. There. Yes, tapos na yung second quarter. 40 ang score natin sa kabila, 19. Half-time sila. Meron pang 2 quarters. And si Holly, nakikipaglaro dun sa mga bata. Meron siyang kalaro dito. Nandyan sa changing room yung mga bata. Babalik sila after 10 minutes at or 15 minutes. Baba! You got friend? Start na ulit. Third quarter na to. Doon si Sasha si Kuya. Doon ulit ang goal natin. Good job, Kuya. Go, Kuya. Lock it. Lock. Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Go, Zach!
Stick with it, turn it over. Grab him. Good pressure. Spread out. Zach. Good. Zach, run. Run. Get in.
Go, Kuya. Oh, you're right. Go.
Run, Zach, run. Push. Got to push across.
Go, Maxi. Oh, Max.
Keep attacking, Maxi, good. Keep it in front, that's it.
Go, Zach. Go. Killed it. Come on. Go, TJ. Yes, good job, Kuya. Go, Max. Gotta go. Hurry up.
Too late.
I'll get it.
There you go. Straight leg, Zach.
Maxi. Yes. Good job, Max. Nakago. Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Go, Saki.
Shepherd.
Go, kick! Ay, di ko nakunan. Touch.
Good work.
Almost, Kuya. Oh, bad suck. Go. Go, Max! Oh! Go! Come on, kick! Go, Zach!
Good Shepherd.
Go, Kuya! Oh my God! Shepherd! Come on, go get it!
Come on, Jake. Pressure. Stick with him.
Come on, boys! Oh my God!
Keep going, he'll fumble it.
Good work. Go, Zach! Go, TJ! Go, Saki! Get it! Zach! Go, Kuya! Max! That's Max? Yeah, go, Max!
Kick.
Go, Tyrone!
Over top. Boys safe.
Oh! You alright? Get up, yeah.
Hot. Come on, there's 2 on 1.
Come on! Go. Go, Zach.
Hit up, TJ, hit up, TJ, hit up.
Come on. Good job.
Good kick.
Good job, Kuya.
Open it up.
Namark ni Kuya after the kick ni Zach. Come on. Oh. Tyron. Come on. One more kick. Oh. 3 minutes na lang matatapos.
They're out. Go.
Go.
Step it. Going. Yeah.
Go, Zach. Max. Go, Zach. Oh.
Hey.
What? Come on. Go, Maxie.
TJ.
Over.
Good work. Yours, TJ. Go the ball.
Go, Kuya. Go. Good job. Oh. Come on, kick. One more.
Great kick.
Oh, come on.
Great kick, yes.
Yes. Good job, boy.
Great work.
Good job. 38 seconds. Go, one more go. Oh.
Bad luck.
Finish, yes. Panalo tayo, 101 ang score natin sa kabila 45. 15 goals.
That was great to watch.
Okay.
So nice to have kid.
Ayun yung car
The
wash.
one that was playing in the background.
Oh, okay. Pinapanood pa rin ni Sak
But
yung mga kuha ko.
Mozzie or whatever, yeah, he's pretty good.
Oh, it's a lineup, babe. It's a long lineup.
I think
Mabang.
they're all waiting for the what's
Panglima tayo. Ang init. Tinubad ko na yung aking ano. Hoy! Jumper. Or yung aking knitted na top. Si Kuya nakahubad na rin. Kasi nga, nakatambay lang kami dito. Sarado yung aming windows. Kasi next na tayong maglilinis ng car. Si Kuya. Tsaka nagpapasaan lang sila para panoorin yung mga clips na kuha ko sa laro nila. How much that one? $2 a minute?
Well, Welling Willow's over $20 already.
Already?
This is cheaper to do this.
Dito,
At least
28.
it's just got a bit of water on it. Bit of shit on it.
$28.
I got on his shoulder.
Si Will, ang taga yun kasi sinabon niya
Oh, you
pa.
No,
Ano?
you didn't.
What's that? What's that?
You you barely only got on him. Is that not on his shoulders, Dad? No, it wasn't, Dad. I saw it. Right. It's on his shoulder. No, it's not. Yes, it is. That's on his shoulder.
In your drop na ni
he's sitting
Kuya.
on his shoulder. Yanni Rezla.
Took one for you, mate. And you
Walker.
jump for I still
Some
took one
wolves.
for you. Yeah, missed. I don't care. I did one. I don't even know.
Okay, tapos na tayo magpa-wash. Kausap ni Saksi Taj. Ay, pinawisan tayo doon. Ball? Where are they, Han?
Max probably getting KFC.
Where are we going?
I got a Bombardino shot.
They're
Bombardino
in
crocodile.
KFC.
KFC, so we're gonna go there. Oh my God, this is a lot. Akala ko single lang, pang family pala to. Ayan, meron tayong
Surely give me one.
yeah. Hot crispy chicken. Ayan. I know. And kay Kuya Burger. What's yours? Chicken tender sa kanila. Ang sarap niya kasi juicy. Dito tayo sa Big Banana. Magdi-dessert si John ng banana split. Ito yung big banana. Nag-order siya na banana. What's that? Banana shake or banana
Is it thick
smoothie?
shake or shake?
Smoothie, I
Thick
think. Thick shake. I'm good, I don't. Thank you. Bumili rin si Jan ng banana lollies. Paubos na. Isa na lang. Ito sa kuya. Just like that. Holly, do that one. No. Okay, 1, 2. Come on, it's alright. Suck your hands, please. Your hands. Ito sa kuya. Just like that. Holly, do that one. No. Okay, 1, 2. Come on, it's alright. Suck your hands, please. Your hands. Thank you.
What do you get?
Anyone want the cherry? Yes. I'll have it. No, not my cherry. Oh,
Yeah.
I take yellow. I'll help you. That one. Oh, that's one. What is that? Max, cherry? I'm having no cherry. Oh,
It's good.
that is sick.
How many you got, hon?
Sorry. No.
How about you? Oh my god, that's a lot.
I got one of those.
Bumaba pala ako. Para kunan lang to. Ayan.
It's not mine. I'll give you the pineapple thing for the bumblebee.
Slow down, man.
Pineapple orangutan, dude.
Got a bloody ice cream today.
Because it's golden.
Ayan, di nila naubos. Okay, balik na tayo sa Caravan Park. Si Kuya, sumabay na doon kila Ben or Willow or Max. Pumunta sila doon sa Lollies. Hindi na ako pumunta. Yung hard candies ba?
Now we're going to be looking in the sun.
Ay, oo. Yung araw dito sa amin on the way back. Ay, dala ko pa naman yung laptop. Sabi ko mag-edit ako. Paano tayo makapag-edit kung ang sun ay nasa harapan natin? Narinig yan, si Taj yan. Ay, ang init dito. I will remove this. Hindi naman tayo bababa na. Yung araw kasi.
Walk into the car and you take my hand. Your hand is shaking now, but you ask me for a dance. Can I have a chance? Music's playing loud from the party outside. Yeah, left your friend alone, nervous about my plans. Yet here we stand. Oh, how I love the smell of your sweet perfume. Your textured hair, leather coat, dimples too. How I like to say is I'll dance with you, but I say I love you. 'Cause the time is stands still when I'm with you. Everything inside feels really.
Okay, nakabalik na ulit tayo dito sa Caravan. I-try ko Tingnan yung aking mga tupi. Mag-walking ako, pero siguro hindi 7K. Let's see how many Ks, but yeah, mag-walking ako. Bubalik ako guys kasi malamig na sa labas. So, natin tong aking balahibo or si Bobo.
Now, imagine a super fun eye to mold.
Because I think